In this video, I will guide you through the typical product loading process using the example of a simple pit-based unit. Here is a quick overview of the product loading workflow. Feel free to pause and read at your own pace. We begin by copying a similar BIM component. In the following video, you will learn how to modify it. Once you have found a component that is similar to the one you want to adapt and load into your own library, identify the manufacturer and the RID number. Then open the DigiPara Liftdesigner Data Manager and search for the pit-based unit in the Common Components library using the Table View docking window. When you have located the component with the correct RID number, select it and click on the button Copy BIM Components. A new window opens where you can check the profiles being copied. In the next step, choose your target library and complete the copy process by clicking Close and Open Copy. The LD Developer library is used for training purposes only, as it will be automatically overwritten with the next Liftdesigner update. For the product loading process, users need to use their own library, which is provided in advance by DigiPara. The new BIM component is now copied with all parameters and values into the selected BIM library. Add a new specific description for the new component. When changes are made, a pen symbol appears at the beginning of the row. To save these changes in the database, simply click into another row or open in another table. Now you can adjust all parameters and values as needed. Next, let's load your edited BIM component into your Liftdesigner project. Open the navigator to exchange the component. If the DigiPara BIM library contains a corresponding component, it will be displayed in the Liftdesigner navigator. Alternatively, you can also enter the correct RID number directly in the properties. To load the developer work area, select the corresponding BIM component and click on the button Develop this BIM component. The developer work area sheet and the developer LOD view sheet will appear. Let me briefly introduce the Develop BIM Components toolbar. Here you can further develop the selected component in all developer views. To define rules for the component, use the Rule Editor. Here you can add new profiles and points. In the Profile section, you can specify the shape and the contour orientation. In the Orientation section, you can rotate the profile and define the angle for the rotation. In the DigiPara BIM library section, you can save the edited component and refresh caches. You should always use this option after modifying the Liftdesigner database with the Data Manager. Define your own colors and textures with the custom rendering support and show or hide profile points in the developer view. In the next video, you will learn how to modify the BIM component.